Okay, so just like what I told you in your GMRC class, okay, we will
Teacher,
also
can
be
you let Shane
having
in?
what? We
Can you
will
let
also
Shane
be
in?
having, ano daw? I will not be using the roulette anymore. I will just be picking on the list of people who are going to raise their hands.
No, Shane
Okay?
is. Can you let Shane in?
Huh? Come again?
Sir, papasukin mo
Hindi.
daw si Shane.
Ah, okay. Sige. Let me see. Ah, yeah. Okay, there you go. I'm admitting her already. Okay. Anyway, class, just like the same rule that we had in your GMRC, don't shout the correct answer. I will be picking random people from
Opo,
those who will
sir.
be
And
raising their
also,
hand.
sir, and also, sir, no, saying the answer on the names, sir, that's like, cheating, sir.
Yeah,
Same
of
as what
course.
happened to ESP.
Mm-mm. Peter, do not do that anymore, ha? That's bad. Peter, are we clear,
What?
Peter?
Do what?
You're putting your name as the correct answer.
Oo,
Okay.
sure, kanina. Letter C yun na
Okay.
ganun.
Don't do that anymore, Peter, ha?
Okay.
You are depriving others from answering the question. Okay, so let's start. Okay, number 1. Okay. This one is both statement are true, both statement are false, ganun po ulit. So A, pag both statement are true, and then letter B, both statement are false. And then letter C, first statement is true, second statement is false. And then letter D, first statement is false naman, then second statement is true. Okay, para madali. How do I put that into writing? For easier. I also my high school students also did this in my class before. So letter A, wait, A, B, C, D. So A is both true, right? Then letter B
Teacher,
is
I'm going to
both
spend the
false.
teacher. Today I'm going
Yes.
to
Oh,
spend the afternoon finishing the English assignment, the one
ito.
with the subject
Huh?
verb agreement. Today I'm going to finish it. Yes, me too, teacher. I'm gonna check it if it's okay, or so I can use it with the pen because I start with the pencil. Then I double check it if it's right, so I can use the pen.
Is
Then
it not
after
due
that,
yet? Is it not due yet? Hindi pa ba due nung quiz? Ay, nung quiz ng Sitwork? Kailan ko ba inopen yun ulit? Last November.
there's
4 or something.
Yeah, 4 I guess. Kasi it's the start of the class. 4, so 7 days after 4. Yeah, hindi pa due. Sige, pwede nyo pang gawin. Okay. Anyway, here's the, ayan, para madali ang kayo. Letter A, 2 T's. For letter B, 2 F. Letter C, FT. And then letter D, TF. Okay, which stands
Sure,
for
anong
true,
meaning
false,
na yun?
false,
Oh,
true,
okay.
false, false, true, true. Okay, for
Sure, when you're
easier,
gonna say if they forget the
yeah, the
choices.
choices. Yeah, of course, of course. Okay, so number 1, sige. Coordinating conjunctions are conjunctions that can connect a word to a word, a phrase to a phrase, or a clause to a clause. Coordinating conjunctions are used to combine one independent and one dependent clause. Okay, let me check from the people who are raising their hands. Okay. Oh, why can't I navigate my screen? Okay, there you go. Sergeant Peter. Okay, Sophia. Monroy.
D. Letter D.
D? Letter D is TF, right? Okay,
Yes.
sige, let's see. First statement is true, second statement
TF.
is false. TF stands for first statement is true, second statement is false. Yes, you are right, Sophia. Very good. So the first statement is true, yeah. That's the function of coordinating conjunction basically. It may connect a word to a word, a phrase to a phrase, or a clause to a clause. But it doesn't combine one independent and one dependent clause because it combines what? It combines two Independent clauses. Yes,
Yes.
very good. That's right.
Mm-mm.
And one independent clause is a full sentence or is a sentence that has a complete thought. So basically, you are just combining two sentences if you are using coordinating conjunctions. So what are the 7 coordinating conjunctions? Is it 7? Yeah, it's 7. What are the 7 coordinating conjunctions that we have? For, and, nor, but,
For, and,
or,
nor, but, or yet so.
yes, very good. Fun
I
boys.
thought
You
you're
can
doing the
easily,
raising hand button, so I didn't answer yet.
yeah. Okay, for number 2, sige, ito na, raise hand ulit. Number 2. Okay. The coordinating conjunction for means because. Example, she was involved in a car accident for he was drunk that night. Sam was involved in a car accident for he was drunk that night. Sige, let me check on the people who are raising their hands. Okay, Prab. Prab.
Sure, me or Gabriel?
Prabrit. Prabrit.
Ay, ako. Sure, wait lang. I'll
Yeah.
just think.
Okay, sige. You're allowed to think.
Letter A, both of them are true.
Okay, both of the statement are true. The coordinating conjunction for means because Sam was involved in a car accident for he was drunk that night. Okay, very good, Prab. Yes. The correct answer is both statement are true. So 1 point for Prabrit. Okay. Do I have to explain this one?
A.
Do I have to explain
Pero
this?
hindi na sure gets ko.
Yeah. Okay. Sabi nga niya, because ang meaning ng for, and then look at this sentence. Okay, Sam was involved in a car accident because he was drunk that night. So yeah, it's correct. It fits the sentence. Number 3. Okay. Raise hand button, please. Okay. Sige, Kevin. Yung mga madalang mag-recite. Kevin. Kevin.
True.
Both are true? Yun ba ang sagot mo, Kevin? Yes? Okay, sige. Let me repeat the options, Kevin, for you. Letter A, both statements are true. Letter B, both statements are false. Letter C, first statement is true. First statement is false. Second statement is true. Ulitin ko, letter C. What? Letter C. Are you sure with your answer? Okay, sige, let's try to evaluate the sentence. But means in addition to the previous statement. Example, all the children want a cake, but no one has money. Okay. Yeah, the correct answer is letter C. Why? Because the example given is right. Okay, but is used in contradiction plus not in addition. Because the coordinating conjunction that
Sure,
is
may I
used that
turn off the
suggests,
lights? I mean, may I pee?
yes, you may go. Okay. So as I was explaining, the second statement is correct. Okay, yeah, it's the correct use of but because but is used as in contradiction to the first statement. But the first statement, let's take a look on the first statement. But means in addition to. Okay, ano bang coordinating conjunction ang may meaning na in addition to? It's and. Okay, kaya mali po ang first statement. And ang may meaning ng in addition to. Okay? But means in contrary or in contradiction. Parang ganun. Okay? Number 4. Okay.
Sure, what
Raise your
happened?
hand. I just explained why number 3 is first statement is false, second statement is true. Okay. Number 4. Wants to try number 4? Okay, Gab, Bondok.
Sure, babasa ko pa?
Yeah, if you want to read it, go.
Modals are special types of verbs that are used to give more information to the main verb. Modals vary their meaning depending on how you use them in a sentence. Answer B, both statements are false.
Are you sure?
D, first statement true, tapos second statement false.
Okay, mali si Gab. The correct answer is both statement are true. Hmm. Tama po. Di ba kaya nga modal verbs ang tawag sa modals? Kasi modals are special type of verbs that are used to give more information to the main verb. Ano ba ang mga main verb or action verb na nasa isang sentence? Okay. Example, she will be fetching Grace in the airport tomorrow. Okay. So, di ba, it gives an additional information to the word or to the verb fetching, yung will na modal, things like that. So basically, yeah, the first statement is correct because that's the definition of modals. While the second one, okay, second statement is true also because it's right that modals vary their meaning depending on how you use them in a sentence. Parang yung ano, example, the modal may. Di ba may can be used for probability, and then may can also be used to ask for permission, right? So basically, it differs depending on where and how you put them in a sentence. Example, may I pee? Okay, so you put the modal may on the first part and it's in a question form. Therefore, you are suggesting or you are using may as a what? As a modal that expresses, is it possibility or asking for permission? Hello? Okay, it's a
Asking
modal.
permission.
Yeah, it's a modal that is asking for permission on that particular sentence. But if you use may in a different form, for example, Kyle, you are sleeping. What are you doing, Kyle? Okay, you are looking somewhere else. Kyle, will you please sit properly, Kyle? That's not how you should be sitting.
Sir, may IP.
Okay. Go na, Gab. Sige. Hala kung ano-ano nang ginagawa nyo. Loris, what are you doing? Okay. Ayan, meron na pala si Juliana. Sige. Wait lang ha. Let me just go back to my attendance. Shh, who's that? Walang maingay. Claire, andito ka na ba, Claire? Claire,
Yes
say
po.
present. Okay. Chanel, andito na rin. Busog, wala pa
Teacher,
rin.
erasures are okay, right?
For what?
For seat work.
Yeah, it's okay.
Sure, may
As long
IP.
as... Okay, go. Aaron, andito ka na ba, Aaron?
Sure, yes.
Okay. Mercader, wala pa rin. Sian, Maramba. Sian is not talking kasi. Sian,
Sir, what did I miss?
nothing. I'm just checking the attendance again. Sian, where are you, Sian? Sian, will you please speak? Are you here?
Sir, nag-present siya.
I'm
Okay, sige. Charles Christopher? Charles? Present ba si Charles? Class, ang dami naka-turn off ng camera. Okay, you're here. Please turn on your cameras, everyone.
Teacher, I think someone was watching YouTube because I heard the
You heard
earlier.
an advertisement. Mercader, Busog, Matea, wala. People, umayos nga kayo. What are you doing? Ang dami naka-off ng camo. Claire, Kali, Vincent, turn on your cameras now. Sino pa? Zoilo, Carlo, Charles, Dana. What happened to you, Dana? You used to turn on your cameras before. Oh, yan. Good. Claire and Carlo.
Sir, sorry for disturbing, but how many items will be there in GMRC and English? I did not
I
see
already-
the things yet.
20.
I already answered that question a while ago. Mag-upload pa lang kasi si teacher tonight because I cannot do
Okay, I'll just see
everything
it later.
today. Okay. 30 points po lahat. So, it depends on the teacher.
Okay.
Okay, it depends on
Sir,
the
si
teacher how
Charles
many
naka-open
items.
yung...
Charles, yung ano lang, camera lang i-open. Wag muna mag-unmute. Okay, good.
Sir, si
So, ayan.
Carlo di pa rin naka-constant.
Question teacher later.
So, as I was saying, pwedeng 15 points lang, 2 points each. Depende kay teacher. Depende sa teacher na gagawa. Ayan, good. O, diba? Nakikita ko na kayong lahat. Vincent, will you please focus on the discussion? Why are you flipping your, what do you call that? Your feet. Ayan, titignan ko kayong lahat. Si Anika lang ang may karapatang mag-turn off ng camera kasi sira daw ang kanyang camera. Pero I will be asking your teachers also. Okay, sige. Number 5 na tayo.
Parang nakikita ko naman siya kanina.
Sir, yes.
Kanina
Oo.
naman, Sir.
Yung camera niya kanina, Sir. Hawak-hawak
Kasi
nga niya yung
maka-on
kaso
ngayon
niya.
kasi eh. Siya hindi lang maka-on ngayon kasi eh. Hindi po sira.
But you told me kasi a while ago that it's sira. That's why I'm telling that it's sira. So you should be
Sorry po.
you should be specific later on when I'm asking you questions, okay? So that there will be no miscommunication happening. Okay, number 5. Okay, supply the correct modal, must or may. Okay. Let me check from those who are raising their hands. Okay. I cannot see my participants. Ayun. Okay, 17 are raising their hand. Okay, sige. Nathaniel, tumpalan.
I must study hard to have a good life. I do have
Okay,
a
yes.
good future.
Yes, that's right. I must study hard to have a good future. Yes, it's a must. That's the correct answer. Because must is a modal that indicates what? Obligation. Okay. It's a need for you to do it. Okay, number 6. Okay, blank, I have this dance. This one is easy. Okay, Nessa?
May.
Okay, yes, may. May I have this dance. So, may is used for asking permission. Okay, number 7. She blank be home at exactly 7 o'clock for her not to be grounded. Okay. Okay, Isabella. Choose between must or may.
Pass.
Okay, must. Let me see. She must be home at exactly 7 o'clock for her not to be grounded. Yes, it's must. Okay, have you tried being grounded before? How was the experience?
No.
Sa amin, Sir, wala kaming house rule na ganon.
Grounded for 1 week.
Yeah, but when
I was
you
grounded
grow,
Yung sa amin, Sir, no cellphone. Walang cellphone.
Na-remember ko na kung grounded kami, nag-grounded kami for like stuff or mapapalo kami. Not lying, nasakitan ako sobra.
Sir, sa amin, Sir, tatanggalin lang yung cellphone. Sir, sa amin, Sir, kukunin yung cellphone.
Not lang
I think every kid,
Sa amin,
ako doon sa kung nag-spark.
They're doing it for their own good, teacher.
yeah, every kid has experience.
Walang
those.
ginagawa sa akin.
Number 8.
Ako stay at home lang ka-grounded.
Oh, yeah, talaga. Chanel,
Sa amin,
ganun
Sir,
talaga.
tatanggalin lang yung cellphone.
Okay, thank you for the insights. Chanel, number 8. Oh, who's that? Sinong nagsusulat? Must ba? I must memorize all of these rules sa subject and verb agreement. Yes, Chanel, that's right. Must. Okay. Pag may kasi, may choices between it, pero hindi naman, hindi pwede. I may memorize all of these rules and subject and verb agreement, Or, ganun sana, pag may ang ginamit dito. Pero must ang mag-fit for this sentence. Number 9. She blank choose to play PS5. I think this is PS, tama ba?
Sure, next time ang PS5 po sa December.
Your PS5.
PS5.
She
I'm
blank
excited. I'm excited after the test when my mom will deliver something because she will give me a microscope so I can see
Off-topic.
what's inside my hair.
Off topic.
400 until like 40 or 90. I want to Kyle.
Off topic, Kyle.
Kyle, kanina ka pa niwa-warning ni teacher. Hello.
Yes, I'm trying to do the silent
What's a
treatment.
PS5?
I don't know.
PS5.
It's a console, Peter.
Mobile game.
I know the
Ay, tapos
answer.
na ba?
I haven't
Na?
seen it.
Kyle, kanina ka pa, Kyle. I am telling you. Okay, Carlo Valencia, will you try number 9?
Must.
You must choose to play. No, that's not the correct answer. Anyone? Okay, Denzel, will you try number 9?
May.
Okay, why? Why is it me?
Because she has a choice to do PS5 or sleep during her free time.
Okay, yes, very good. It's not must because it's not an obligation, Carlo. Okay. Number 10. Okay, identify. I'm sorry, it's a bit small. Wait. Let me just enlarge it.
It might be casual or formal.
Yeah, you have to. Lang pictures is going to.
Sir, ma-add yan sa test? Yung examples dyan, sir?
No, I don't put review game as the exam. Okay, sige, number 10.
Sir, sinabi ni Sian
Can you see
pa-join.
Can you see
Sinabi
my
ni Sian
screen?
pa-join sa messenger. Yes, teacher. Sinabi ni Sian pa-join.
But he's not on the waiting list. Okay, there
Baka
you go.
he gave up.
There you go. He's already on the waiting list. Okay, number 10. I will be writing. Okay, identify what language are you going to use. What are the two types of language that we discussed? Formal and casual. So, number 10. Wait lang, class, ha? Hihinga lang ako. It's so hard. Okay, number 10. I will be writing an application letter to a company that is currently hiring near our place. What type of language will I use in my letter? Okay, sige. Natawag ko na itong mga to. Okay, Petril?
teacher.
Sige, Petril. You just have to choose between casual or formal.
Something.
Formal language.
Formal? Why formal, Petril? Why do you think it's formal?
Because he is writing an application letter to a company.
Okay, therefore. Okay, so basically, class, you are applying for a job. And when you are applying for a job, you need to be serious, right? So therefore, you need to use formal language, not casual. Okay. Of course, there will be a heading. Do you know heading? Heading is the address of the receiver, and then here comes the date, and then the salutation. Okay, are you familiar with the parts of a letter? Salutation is, Dear Ma'am Garcia, or
Parang
Dear
Filipino lang ang alam ko.
Sir, sa Pilipino, sir, yung sa Pilipino.
Teacher, you know what?
Ham.
Writes letter, she uses big words. She always uses salutations.
Hmm.
She's big words teacher.
Who?
My
Who is that?
sister.
Hmm.
She's every time she's doing a casual letter, she's always saying salutations and stuff, even though I'm telling her that it's not casual.
Okay. Probably the person she is writing to is a friend. Probably. Okay. I by the way, class, I admire Peter's emailing etiquette. Like he knows what to put on his email, like good day and stuff. That's very formal, and that's how you write an email. Actually, you don't go immediately to your purpose, like saying, "Ma'am, ito po yung assignment ko." That's not how you do it. You say, "Good day, Teacher Jenny. Here's my homework." Okay, at least try to do that way. And don't forget to put a subject also. Some learners forgot to put subject. You know the subject when you create an email. Okay, of course, for example, it's assignment number 1 in English. You need to put that particular subject. Okay. So number 11. Ay, kabayong buntis. Number 11.
Teacher submit verb agreement part of the test.
Yeah. Actually, there are questions about that one later on. Okay, number 11. My favorite cousin Ian have been away for 3 months and I miss him so much. We talked on Viber last night until we fell asleep. Okay. Let me call on. Okay, Darcy. Darcy. Is it formal or casual? The way you talk to your cousin. Darcy?
Casual.
Okay, yes, it's casual. Because when we use casual language, basically it's personal. So yeah, you know your cousin personally, therefore you are using casual. Okay. Number 12. You are brought in a wedding of your mom's office mate. They are asking if you're enjoying the celebration. Okay,
In my hair,
casual,
someone there's
formal.
little rat.
Casual
Little
or
rat.
formal?
Disgusting.
Okay,
You're
Loris.
so
Loris, will you try number 12?
Formal.
Okay, yes, formal, di ba? Of course, it's they are older than you, so you need to talk to them formally. Okay, and you don't know them personally, therefore you need to be formal also. Okay. Number 13. Okay, eto na. This is the part that you are asking for. Check on the following statement if they follow correct subject-verb agreement. Okay, so let's try to answer them before we, what do you call that? Before I discuss the rules. Okay. So number 13, Brooklyn, together with his bandmates, are preparing for the next song. Okay. Is this a sentence with correct subject verb agreement or is it faulty? Okay, so you only have two options. You just have to tell me if there's no error or if it's a faulty sentence. Okay? See, I will be choosing
Pick
na.
me.
Okay. Sige, Peter. Try number 13.
Okay, this will be training so that the perfect deceit work. I say it's correct
Are you sure?
because wait,
What
no,
makes it correct?
wait.
Okay, sige. Analyze it carefully.
No, because the subject and verb are intercrossing.
Like what? Okay, first you have to identify what is the subject. What is the subject of the sentence?
Brooklyn.
Okay, and Brooklyn is a person or a group or
Yeah,
someone?
a person. And then it's R, so it's wrong.
Okay, very good, Peter. You did it right. Yes. So
Nailed it.
Brooklyn is a single person. Okay, so we don't have to we don't need to pasalsali like this one together with his bandmates is just